morning, everyone. Today we are going to talk about expert medicines, specifically hormones, and their impact on health and the environment. First, what are expert medicines? Expert medicines are drugs that have passed their expiration date. After this date, the medicine may lose its effectiveness or even become unsafe. This means that they might not work properly in the body, and in some cases, they can cause negative side effects. Many people think that expert medicines are harmless, but this is not true. Using them can be risky for health, and disposing of them incorrectly can harm the environment.
What is the hormone and its risks? Now, what is the hormone? A hormone is a chemical substance produced by the body that controls different functions such as growth, metabolism, and reproduction. They are also synthetic hormones used in medicine, for example, in treatment like birth control or hormone therapy. The problem is that when these hormones are expired or misused, they can become dangerous. They can affect the human body in unexpected ways, and even ours. They can contaminate the environment if they are not disposed of correctly.
How to dispose of expired hormones? So, how should we dispose of expired hormones? First, we should never throw them in the trash or flush them down the toilet. When we do this, the chemical enters the soil and water system. The correct way to dispose of them is by taking them to special collection containers in pharmacies. These programs are designed to self-manage expired medicines and prevent environmental damage. By using this system, we reduce pollution and protect both human health and ecosystems.
Now, let's look at an example. Estrogen. Estrogen is the hormone commonly used in medicines such as birth control pills and hormone replacement therapy. If estrogen enters rivers or lakes, it can severely affect aquatic life. For example, it can cause reproductive problems in fish, such as changing their natural development. This shows how a small amount of a substance can have a big impact on ecosystems.
Environmental consequence. What are the environmental consequences? When hormones are disposed of incorrectly, they can travel through water systems and reach rivers, lakes, and even drinking water. This causes problems such as contamination of water source, damage to aquatic organisms, alteration of natural ecosystems. These substances do not disappear easily. They can remain in the environment for a long time and accumulate, making the problem worse over time.
So, what can we do to solve this problem? First, we must avoid throwing medicines in the trash or toilet. Second, we should always use pharmacy collection programs. Third, it is important to educate people about the correct way to dispose of medicines. And finally, we need to promote environmental responsibility because small actions can make a big difference.
In conclusion, expired hormones are not only a health risk, but also an environmental problem. If we dispose of them correctly, we can protect ecosystem and future generations. And remember, dispose medicine correctly today, protect life tomorrow. Thank you.